Hi mga ka-abroad, it's me Yaya Jean and welcome sa Your Abroad Helper. Now, in this video, pag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang way kung paano kayo makakapaghanap ng legit agency. At valid ba ang kanilang mga lisensya? Dito malalaman nyo ang mga sumusunod. First, where to look and to find out if an agency here in Singapore has tie-up in Philippines. Ibig sabihin, meron silang ka-tie-up dyan sa Pinas. Alright? And the second one, how to verify if they are still active and still operating. Napaka-importante nito. And the third one, why it's important to also check in the Philippines if their partner agency is legal. Alam nyo na ang ibig sabihin yan. And the last one, the important website you should remember, ito yung magka-cross-checking tayo. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba itong video na to. Huwag nyong i-skip. Make sure na i-click nyo yung link sa baba kasi nandyan yung description natin dyan sa baba kasi nandyan lahat ng link na pag-uusapan natin dito. Kaya naman, importante na siguraduhin natin na yung agency na kakausapin natin ay legit at hindi tayo lolokohin. And, just a quick reminder lang ha. This information is just an extra for you. Your experience might be different depende sa rules and regulation ng agency. Hindi porket yung agency ko, ganito yung experience ko, ganito na din yung may experience niyo. Magkakaiba yan. Magkakaiba siguro yung paano yung pattern nila. Pero lahat ng ito is para sa inyo, para malaman nyo yung way of cross-checking agencies. Ito, bago pa lang kayo makipag-usap sa agency, ito yung i-check nyo lahat ng posibleng problema ng agency, kung maganda ba sila, feedbacks, dito nyo makikita lahat-lahat. Okay? Kapag may napusuan na kayong agency, I think magdo-do your own research na din kayo sa Facebook or any social media kung ano yung pag-ooperate nila, kung magkano salary deduction, lahat na, paano sila mag-deploy, ano yung mga kailangan na requirements, ganyan, malalaman nyo yan kapag nag-inquire na kayo. But first, ito yung fundamentals na kailangan nyong alamin kapag nag-apply kayo sa agency. Okay? This information is very, very important. Alright? So, I'll see you in our tutorial. Alright, so now we're here in our Facebook page. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, make sure na i-follow nyo tong page natin, Your Abroad Helper. And itong nakikita nyo sa screen is Yaya Jean. Hello, hello. Kung hindi nyo pa ako kilala, mag-message lang kayo sa akin and I'll introduce myself. I think I don't need na kung, alam niyo yun, tutorial lang naman yung hinahabol nyo. Alright, now first things first, punta tayo sa website ng Philippine Embassy in Singapore, specifically yung migrant workers office nila. Ito yung main source natin para malaman kung registered ba yung agency dito sa Singapore. Alright? Now, let's go to our Facebook. Kung nasa Facebook kayo, punta kayo sa Facebook search and hanapin nyo yung Philippine, ayan, na-search ko na, Philippine Embassy in Singapore. Nandito na kasi siya sa akin. Alright? So, I'll give you time para masundan nyo ako. Philippine Embassy in Singapore. Type nyo dyan sa Facebook search nyo. And then, i-click natin yan. Makikita nyo to. Verified sila. Ayan, Philippine Embassy in Singapore, naka-verified yan sila, blue checkmark sila, which have now 425k followers now. Click natin yung profile nila. And, ayan, mapunta tayo dito sa page nila. Make sure yung mga ka-abroad na puntahan nyo to dito sa about section nila. Kung wala dyan, ayan, nandiyan yung websites and social links nila. Depende kasi kung anong naka-appear dyan sa interface ng phone niyo. But now, nandito tayo sa laptop, kaya ganito yung nagpapakita. Now, punta tayo dito sa second one. Dito sa second link nito, philippine/embassy.org.sg. Click natin yan, and mapupunta tayo sa another tab dito sa website na. Na-direct na tayo dito sa website. Now, what we gonna do is find dito sa upper section nito, yung other services. I'll give you time to scroll, hanapin yung other services para masundan nyo ako. I-post itong video na to and ayun, hanapin nyo yung other services. Now, if you're there na, click nyo yung MW/Singapore. Ma-open yung another new tab and ganito yung interface na makikita ninyo mga ka-abroad. Ayan, contract certification for domestic workers, contract verification for professional, but ang hahanapin natin is this one. Scroll nyo pa ba? Scroll sa pinakababa. Ayan, sundan nyo ako ha. Now, List of POEA, DMW accredited agencies for household service workers. Huwag kayong ma-distract dun sa POEA, DMW/DMW kasi dati, di ba, tawag natin is POEA. Now, kilala na siya bilang DMW. DMW, yes. Now, click natin to. Yes. Click nyo yan. Don't worry. And then, I think magpa-pop up sa inyo yung download kasi PDF file siya. So, click nyo lang yan. Lalabas na itong list of POAA accredited employment agencies in Singapore for household service workers, updated list of September 2023. Mga kabrod, 2023 pa to. Now, we have to do our additional research about this para maging updated tayo. Alright? Now, if you scroll down, andyan yung mga agency. Lahat. Nakikita nyo tong number, siguro mamili tayo dito, wag sa first one, kasi laging yan yung nakikita. Scroll natin pababa. Now, this one. Well, again, I'm not connected sa any agencies, alright? This is just me contributing to our social, alam niyo yun, sa mga ka-abroad natin na gustong magkaroon ng idea kung paano maghanap ng agency dito sa Singapore and dyan sa Pinas. Now, this one, naririnig ko kasi ito, ARXL Employment Agency. And I think, ano pa sila? Active pa tong agency na to. Ayan yung name ng agency dito sa Singapore, Accredited to Philippines Agency, PAASI International Corporation. Now, this one is the, alam niyo ba sagot? Ito yung ka-tie-up agency ng Pinas. And then, ito yung, ayan o, address nitong ARXL Employment Agency. Okay, manito, this one is the agency in Singapore. Nakalagay dito sa numbers. And then sa pinakababa niya, accredited to Philippine Agency, PAASI International Corporation. Now, this one, address nito, is ito yung address ng ARXL Employment Agency. Now, nandito na din yung contact information nila. 'Di ba? Complete details na. But, ang pinaka dapat nyo i-check. Usually, it's either itong agency na to is hindi na valid, hindi na sila active, or itong katayap nila na agency. That's why we have to do our own research. Another additional research. Now, mag-scroll lang kayo dito pababa and makikita nyo na sila. Lahat ng connected na agency dito sa Singapore. You'll find accredited and legal recruitment agencies here in Singapore. Hanapin dyan name na gusto nyo. Kapag may napusuan kayo mga, alam niyo, agency na nakikita nyo dito sa Facebook na pinopost sila na, maganda tong agency na to, ganito. I-search nyo yan. Ito, hanapin nyo muna dito yung list na ng agency. Alright? Since 2023 pa to, kailangan nagdoble ingat tayo. Ang susunod natin gagawin, let's go sa another tab. Punta kayo sa another website. Search nyo lang, MOM Singapore. I'll give you time. MOM Singapore. Now this one, the first one, Ministry of Manpower in Singapore. Ito yung lalabas mga kabrods. Click nyo yung website nila. Ayan, next nyo lang. Tuturuan kayo kung ano yung mga nandito, work passes, and close. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to do e-services. Hanapin nyo yung e-services. No, if you can't follow at medyo mabilis ang ka-abroad niyo, pause. Pause it and hanapin nyo yung e-services. I know the interface is different kasi naka-laptop ako and maybe you're using phone. But maybe I'll do another tutorial where I'm in my phone na. Now, if nandito na kayo sa e-services, hanapin nyo dito, sa pinakababa niya is Employment Agency and Personal Search. Ito. Click nyo lang yan, madadirect ulit kayo sa panibagong site, sa new tab. And then, search for employment agencies and personnel. Now, click nyo lang yan. And since may nagustuhan kayo doon, balik kayo doon sa unang ginawa natin. Yung sa WO Singapore. Ito yung PDF file natin. And hanapin nyo yung gusto nyong agencies. Like for example, this one. Ayan. Remember mga ka-abroad na itong mga 1, 2, 3, 4 naka-numbering, yan yung mga agency dito sa Singapore. And yung nasa baba is yung mga ka-tie-up nila sa Pilipinas. Alright? Nagigets niyo ba ako? Now, ano yung pinuntahan natin kanina itong ARXL Employment Agency? Yan na lang gamitin natin. I-copy lang natin yung name nila and balik tayo sa MOM website dito sa Employment Agency Directory. Now, what we're gonna do is paste the agency name and click search. Now, if hindi kayo nakaka-follow na naman ulit, post this video and take your time. Alright? Now, next. Ito, nag-appear na yung employment agency na hinahanap natin. Okay. Ito na siya. ARXL Employment Agency. Ito na yung license number nila. Now, makikita nyo dito sa first one na retention rate nila is 70.13%. Ibig sabihin nito, yung percentage of FDWs placed by agency who have stayed with the same employer for at least 6 months. Yung mga tumatagal, kumbaga compatible sila sa mga employer nila, hindi sila napapababa. Napapababa yung tawag sa, alam niyo yun, babalik kayo sa agency. So, medyo ano sila, okay sila. Now, transfer rate. Mas maganda to kung mababa. 1.56%. Ibig sabihin nito, yung hindi compatible yung mga ka-abroad natin sa amo nila, tapos binabalik sila sa agency. Percentage of FDW placed by the agency who have transferred to 3 or more employers within 1 year from March 30, 2024 to 30 March 2025. Okay? Now, this one is placement volume. Naka 67 sila. Number of FDWs na work passes approved for the agency in 1 year from March 24 to 30, 2025. Now, yung years of experience nila. 14 years na sila, mga ka-abroad. And I think, okay itong agency na to. Contact information, ito yung branch nila. Other branch, nasa Orchard. So, meron silang 2 office. Kung nandito kayo sa Singapore, I think, mapupuntahan nyo to. But since ang ginagawa natin is more on nasa Pinas kayo, alright? Yung nagdo-do your own research pa lang kayo. Oh, anong agency kayang gusto kong puntahan? Eto, ganito ang paghahanap mga abroad. Now, next one. Agency personnel. Tatakpan ko yung mga ano nila, mga information nila kasi ayaw kong baka mamaya ma-issue tayo ganyan. So, yung agency personnel, ito yung mga kukontakin nyo. Sila yung mga licensed agent. Speaking of licensed agent, mga ka-abroad, hindi lisensyadong agency ka-yayajin, okay? This is me sharing my information to you. Alright? Siguro maraming magagalit sa akin ng mga agency kasi tinuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo mag-research. I don't know, but yeah, I hope this video will help you. Now, ganun lang yung gagawin ninyo mga ka-abroad. I-research nyo, go back sa PDF file na nakuha natin sa Philippine Singapore Embassy. And then, punta kayo sa MOM. Punta kayo sa MOM website. Now, next one, what we're gonna do is go to dmw.gov.ph. Okay? Hanapin nyo lang yan. dmw.gov.ph. Search. And now we're here. Alright? Okay. Take your time. Pause this video if alam nyong mabilis akong magturo. Scroll nyo lang pababa. And makikita nyo dito mga ka-abroad. Ganito yung interface niya. If you're done, let's go to Licensed Recruitment Agencies. Hanapin nyo siya. Licensed Recruitment Agencies. Dito, nandito yung name ng agency. status date, and expiration ng lisensya nila. Now, since ito, yung pinuntahan natin kanina para hindi na tayo magkaiba-iba, balik tayo sa PDF, and kunin natin yung agency name. Naka-tie up nila sa Pinas. Then, go back tayo sa DMW. I-type natin dito ang agency, and let's do search. Now, you see, mga ka-abroad, nag-pop up yung FAASI International Corporation. Representative nila, complete details, address, nasa Benguet, contact information, email address, nandyan na din, and status ng lisensya nila is valid pa. Status date, ayan, 28 June 2024. Now, ang expiration nila is May 14, 2030. This is a good agency, alright? Now, what you need to do next is go to Facebook and hanapin nyo to FAASI International and do your own research. Search nyo FAASI International and see what posts people have for them. Ayan. You see? That's how their Facebook page or maybe post about them. Yeah. So, search nyo lang and mag-join kayo sa mga groups para makita nyo yung mga agency na nire-recommend din ng iba and apply nyo to. Go to Embassy ng Singapore and hanapin yung MDWO. And then next one, go to MOM website. And then last one, go to the MW. Ilalagay ko lahat ng link na nabanggit natin dito. Huwag kayong malilito. Kapag nalito kayo, pause. Back pause. Magbalik-balik kayo. And kung may hindi kayo naintindihan, sabihin niyo sa akin. Mag-comment kayo sa baba. I will really appreciate it if you are going to, share your experience and then comment kung may tanong kayo para naman masagot natin and magkaroon kayo ng idea kung merong kaalaman si Yaya Jean pagdating dyan. Now, this is an additional one for you guys. If nandito na tayo sa DMW, let's go to approve jobs order. Nandito lang yan, makikita niyo dyan siya. Approve. Katabi lang siya ng license recruitment agency, this one. Approve job orders. Yan. Lahat ng mga available work nandito, position. But since we're going to find about domestic helper, let's go with position. Na position. Then, hanapin nyo yung domestic helper. Yeah. Now, search. Okay, nandiyan na siya. So, different job site, different place. Ito, Singapore pa lang siya. Hanapin nyo lang, may mga makikita kayong mga date na 2025. Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Qatar, Malaysia, any places na alam ninyong makaka-apply kayo. Now, this one, Jordan, maraming Jordan. Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong. I think Hong Kong is a good place to work din. Maraming mga perks when it comes sa mga ka-abroad natin na domestic helper din. Yep. That's how you can do it, mga ka-abroad. And if you find some agencies here, like for example this one, let's go with one of these. Hanap tayo ng Singapore. Now, if you want a specific place, you just go here sa position and hanapin nyo yung job site. Alright? Let's go to Singapore. Right? Then, ayan. You can find it here na. Yan. Search. All you have to do is like, find updated list 2025. Yan, tingnan nyo. NIR. This is my ito yung agency ko na ginamit. Naka-tie up ng agency ko dito sa Singapore. NIR. Let's choose this one. February 25, 2025 now. Ayan. NIR. Maganda sila. Maganda tong agency na to. And very, 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 alam niyo yun, paano ba isabihin? Napaka-mabait ng mga empleyado nila sa amin. Principal nila is this one. One Alliance Employment Mate Agency. Now, let's do a research about this one. Yung principal mga ka-abroad, ito yung Singapore agency nila. Alright, naka-tie up. Now, dito sa MOM, doon sa MWO Singapore Embassy, nakita nyo yung una is name ng agency sa Singapore. Now, this one is nauna yung name ng Philippine agency natin, then sumunod yung principal. Yun yung tinatawag na agency nila. Now, we're gonna do is copy this one. Copy this. And let's go to MOM. Kasi di ba doon na tayo nag-check ng mga list about Singapore agency. Now, go back here. Kung hindi nyo nasundan kanina, let's open a new one. And then, search nyo MOM. Kahit MOM lang, actually, lalabas na yan. See? Click this one. Go to e-services. Okay, nag-loading tayo. Medyo humina yung signal. Now, go here sa employment, agencies, and personal search. Alright? Hanapin nyo yan. Then, search for employment, agency, and personnel. Go with this one. Again, kapag mabilis ako, pause this one. And now, i-paste natin yung agency na nakapin natin kanina sa DMW. Search natin. Oh no. So you see, One Alliance Employment made to agency PTE Ltd did not match any agency name. Maybe nagpalit sila ng maybe wala tong space. So you have to be careful when it comes to pagka-copy din. Kasi baka mamaya may sumobra kayong name, kaya hindi nag-appear. Pero for this one, wala. How about Alliance? Ganyan lang. Wala din. Tingnan nyo mga kabrod, wala sila dito. Pero pag tinek natin dito sa DMW, meron sila. Alright? Now, you have to do your own research, alright? How about we do this one, copy natin to and go to search work. The site principal. Let's go with this one. No available, right? Meron kasi ito, tingnan nyo, nakita nyo dito. Job site tayo, then Singapore. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, nakita nyo yan. Maybe we'll do position. Domestic helper. Right, this one. Kanina, hinanap natin FASI. Wala. Let's go with the agency. Ayan. Kapag gusto niyo lang hanapin yung agency, go ka lang kayo sa agency and then hanapin niyo yung FASI, yung kanina. Or, NIR. Yun yung agency ko last time eh. Ayan. Ang dami nilang available for 2025. Hong Kong, Singapore, Hong Kong, ayan. So now, principal nila nandito. Remember mga ka-abroad na hindi sila tawag nito. Nakita nyo? Kita nyo mga ka-abroad na eto 31 March 2025 ngayon to. Chine-check ko. Baka ma-upload ko to maybe tomorrow or maybe 2 days after na nire-record ko to. Important details. Verify with the agency if the job order is still active or not. Napaka-importante nito, baka mamaya tingin kayo ng tingin dito tapos hindi na pala active yung ano nila, yung mga hiring nila, di ba? Kasi needed 95, ang daming mga applicants sa Pinas, yung mga tambay doon sa mga agency or di naman kaya nag-walk-in, na kaya dapat ilagay nyo i-check nito sa agency. Diyan naman yung contact details nila, pag gusto nyo silang kontakin, di ba? No, that's it. Dito nyo lang isa-search yung information, licensed recruitment agencies, approved job orders, ganyan. Alright? Check natin nga to dito sa OMSO field. Ayan. Agency. Wala dito. So, you have to do your own research mga kabrod. Ito yung way kung paano kayo makakahanap ng mga agency dito sa Singapore. Now, next time, I'll be sharing with you guys kung paano kayo, yung ways, different ways of how you can apply here in Singapore. But, this, for me, malaking tulong to. Kasi yung time na nag-apply ako, walang ganito. Walang ganito. Now, I think, this is the complete details na may share ko sa inyo about how you can conduct your own research about having or before mag-contact sa isang agency. This is really a good one. Kasi makita nyo yung mga feedback ng mga agencies katulad sa MOM, like what we did a while ago. Nagtingin tayo dito kanina ng mga agency. This one, nagtingin tayo and then nakita natin na yung retention rate nila, importante yan, yung transfer rate nila, placement volume, and then ilang years na din sila nag-ooperate. And makikita rin natin dun sa MWO, ito, sa Philippine-Singapore Embassy, yung mga PDF, although hindi siya updated. Mind you that this is not updated. September 2023 and we are in 2025 na. That's why I want you to check all the agencies na gusto nyo dito. And input nyo siya sa dito, sa MOM. That's how you can check if the agencies are still operating. Maybe nagsara na sila during pandemic, or maybe nagpalit sila ng name, or maybe alam nyo na expire na yung lisensya nila. That's how you can check them. Alright? Napakalaking tulong nito kasi sa susunod na video natin tuturuan ko kayo kung ano yung mga ways kung paano makapag-apply dito sa Singapore. I think I did both of them. Contacting agency here in Singapore directly. And then, alam niyo yun, mag-apply na lang ng madalian. But, dumaan ako sa legal process mga kabrod. What I did lang, yung way of pag-apply is iba. Sa traditional way na, pupunta sa agency sa Manila, ganyan, maghahanap ng agency doon, mag-apply, magtatanong kung may bakante ba, which is waste of money, effort. That's why, this is a good one. Alam niyan. Kaya dapat, alam niyan, mag-research kayo. Always do your own research. Now, back to the topic. Nandito tayo sa channel, sa Facebook page natin. Make sure to follow me, okay? Follow the leader, hindi ako leader, follow Yaya Jean here, your abroad helper. Now, people know me as Yaya Jean before. Pero naghinto tayo. Kung gusto niyo makita yung YouTube channel natin, search nyo lang your abroad helper sa YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. And I think nasa page din natin yan. Go to YouTube. And then, hanapin nyo lang your abroad helper. Alright. Now, here. This is ka-abroad. Alright? Konti pa lang yung napupost nating video, but I'll make sure to add more to that one. Kaya, sana nakatulong ng yaya ninyo. And, if you have any questions, as I said, feel free to comment down below. And mag-message din kayo sa akin. Share this video. Siyempre, napaka-importante. Thank you for watching mga ka-abroad. I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye. See ya.